Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON Tunland. In this video I'll show you how to activate auto hold function. Thanks to auto hold, whenever you reach the stop, for example traffic lights, you don't have to press brake and hold it to stop. Take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got this panel. Press auto hold to enable this function. Auto hold works only in drive mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.